STRIX. Right now we're going to be jumping into episode 7 of series 4 of Sons of Anarchy. We're very quick on the heels of the last episode as I film this. So, super quick recap. Juice finally got the brick back into the barn thing. Everything's all good, but someone had to die in the process. But it does suck. It really does suck. But Juice now is kind of free and clear, like, you know, as far as Clay has basically asked the cartel to try and kill Terra. The fuck? Like I've said in the past, right? If Clay can't get his hands on the actual letters, then the next best thing is to take out the people who's read them. So what makes me really worried now about Piney as well, like what's Clay gonna do about Piney, you know? Piney's the only one, who's actually really made a threat to Clay, while Terra's kind of kept her mouth shut. You know what I mean? And that's why Gemma has gone back to and told Clay, like, just don't do anything, just leave it, you know. But of course, Clay's not gonna fucking leave it. But like I said, like, Piney's the only one that's actually approached Clay and made threats. You know, if Clay's willing to try and get Terra killed on the possibility that she might say something, then what's he gonna do to Piney? You know. But yeah, those are the kind of two big things coming from the last episode. Full kind of transparency, like I don't normally like reading the synopsis thing that Netflix has, but this one clearly says, as the club deals with the fallout from a death threat made against Terra, Juice contemplates suicide. Like, what the fuck? Anyway, no more talking. We're going to get into this. This is the full-length, unedited reaction. The way it works is very, very simple, okay? Jump on Netflix or get your own copy of the episode. Play it and pause it at 1 minute and 7 seconds. This is what I'm looking at right now, okay? In a moment, I'm going to count down 3, 2, 1, go. And when I say go, you press play, I'll press play, and we'll watch this together perfectly in sync. There will be 2 timestamps, one counting up, one counting down, because Netflix can be different on all different types of devices. So go get your copy ready. Do what you gotta do. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God, I'm heartily sorry if I haven't offended you. And I detest all my sins. Not because of your just punishments. Most of all because they offended you, my God. We're all good and deserving of all your love. I firmly resolve with the help of your grace to sin no more to avoid the implications of sin.
Oh, come on. You gonna find the letter? Oh shit. Hmm. Mm. This is what Hunter wants. Like he wants them to be on high alert and everything. You know what I mean? Smart, man. Very, very smart. Get everyone in the club involved, so everyone's kind of like on guard, watching her. Makes it harder for, you know what I mean, for anything to happen. It's a fucking cartel, like. Mm-hmm. Well, the fuck? Who the fuck are these guys now? I'm trying to think like who that could have been. Like, fuck. Oh. Oh. Can't do it, kids crying like that, man. Fuck. The only thing I could possibly think of is like maybe the Russians are trying to get back involved. But their main guy's been took out, but then there could be someone else that's kind of stepping in. Maybe. Or maybe it's someone who's got like beef and issues with the Mayans, and it's just like just so happened to turn up at the same point that the Suns were there. Like, but Unser is smart, man. I like the whole letter thing because everyone's going to be on. Like I said, everyone's going to be on high alert, on guard. Shit. They were not Russian. Yeah, only thing I'm thinking of is that they've got a beef with the Mayans and it just fuck. Well, dude. But that look from Clay smart. Clay knows that the fucking cartel wouldn't have just sent him a fucking letter. You know what I mean? Warning her, you know, basically giving her a fucking heads up. Mm. Fuck, man. Man, the stress, man. Fucking hell. Be a bit selfish, fucking hell. Is he really going to try and go in alone? What the fuck, Jax? Clay knows. I bet you Clay knows what Hunter's been up to. Mm. Wow. Wow. Fucking hell. Like, I get why Bobby had to kind of like ask her quick, you know. Last time she was in the clubhouse, she was waving a gun around, you know. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Fucking hell. The fuck? Has he got like the right apartment or something? No, that's the bag. What the fuck? Unless they switched it out or something. Mm-hmm. What the fuck? The fuck is going on, man? That fucking sucks, man. It's so shitty that she's having to go through all this stress, but you know it's kind of necessary. Like there is a threat out there, you know. Wow. Wow, blackmailing him that if you don't, wow. I kind of called it on that character though. That he's going to be trouble. Oof. Uh-huh. It's fucking just 2 weeks in. Look at all the drama. Good God. Clay's smart. Clay's gonna know that someone. I can't believe he's going through with it as well. Mm. Fine, eh? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow. I've got a bad feeling about this, you know. Fuck, man. It's all just gonna blow up like crazy, ain't it, with Joe's? Dangerous, man. I I I got a feeling like he doesn't really give a shit who he like uses and kind of like manipulates as long as he gets the job done. You know what I mean? Wow. Just split. How shitty must you feel, man? Because he generally kind of come across like Captain America. You know what I mean? Like I want to take you down, but I want to do it by the book. I want to do the right thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, I said it that Chibs was always watching and looking. Said it at the end of the last episode. Like Chibs was always looking and paying attention to what Juice is doing. Wow. Oh, fucking our Juice. Fuck, man. And there's so much stress and bullshit and fuck, man. She's actually split. Wow. Weren't that long ago they got fucking married and she's gone. I mean, yeah, he slept with the fucking bitch and everything, but it's like, what? What? Holy shit, okay. They can have a vote to see like if Bobby could. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. See, it sucks that Netflix like bowled it with the fucking synopsis. Normally, I pay no attention to them, but because it was so short and just having it right there in front of me, it's not hard to notice it and just. But it's understandable with all the shit that he's going through at the minute, all the stress. It's understandable he's going to think about the permanent solution for temporary issues. The fuck, Piney? Fucking. He's really trying hard to like look after her. Okay. Well. Last time a prospect was there looking after her was Half Sack, and look what happened to Half Sack. You know what I mean? No. No fucking way. Whoa, 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 whoa. That crunching sound better be the fucking branch, not his neck. What the fuck, man? Like I said, it's understandable that he would contemplate suicide because of all the bullshit and everything that's going on now, but to actually try or to actually take his own life, like, I can't believe they ended it like that. What the fuck? Like I said earlier, man, suicide, like, I've always believed this. I've always believed this, that suicide is a permanent solution for temporary issues. It really is. Take it from someone who knows. You know what I mean? I know what it's like on both sides of the coin. I've had friends who have took their own lives. I've been there. You know, I've been absolute rock bottom that the only hope you got is to try and end things. You know, I've self-harmed, I've attempted suicide. I know what it's like, and like I said, it's a permanent solution for a temporary issue. Nothing lasts forever, man. Like I said, I just really hope that crunching noise was the fucking branch breaking and not his neck or anything. I feel so bad for him. Like I've said this before, that I honestly feel like shit's gonna hit the fan. He's gonna do some dumb shit, and eventually the club's gonna find out, and I can literally just see people say, we don't care. We don't care who your dad is. That's no like reflection on you as a person and everything you've done. Like, he just got fucking a patch. Like, I can see him saying it doesn't fucking matter. Out of all of them, I think Chibs might be the only one he can confide in, because Chibs generally seems like he's concerned about him, you know? Like I said it in like the last video, that Chibs is always looking and watching. Same thing with Bobby. Bobby's always looking and paying attention. The editing, man. Every time the camera lingers on a certain character for just a little bit too long, there's a reason there. And now Bobby's fighting for fucking leadership now, you know? Trying to put a vote in there, but I think Chibs might be the only one that, hopefully, if fucking Jew survives this, and I really hope he does, I think Chibs is going to be the one he's going to confide in. I don't even want to sit here and talk, man. I want to watch the next one. I really do. As far as Tara, like, I get that she's stressed out and worrying and everything, but it's necessary. You know, I think Unser has done the right thing by putting that letter in the car, and the whole club is now on guard, and, you know, it was the right thing. It was the right thing. But like I said, Clay smart, he knows. But yeah, okay, I'm going to get into the next episode because I really want to know what's going on. I really hope he survives. Seriously though, like, if you're feeling low, go talk to someone. Like, permanent solution, man. Temporary issues, man. Seriously. Like I said, take it from someone who knows, who's been there, went through the shit, come at the other end, and, you know, still here. Those problems ain't, you know what I mean? Those problems and drama and bullshit that I went through years ago, they're gone now. You know what I mean? Keep your head up. You know what I mean? Anyway, okay. For now, give this video a thumb up if you like it. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And subscribe if you haven't already, man. Alright? I've been SiTHFuRion. And I'll catch you in the next one.